Question number 11. Okay. A thin horizontal plate of area 0.036 square meter. Okay, area is given here. Is beneath the surface of a liquid of density. Rho is given. Force on one side of the plate is given here. F is given over here. Okay. Then what is the depth of the plate beneath the surface of the liquid? Okay, so this is the container, and this is the liquid, and maybe this is my object. So this is the area here. This is the area here. So this is what has been asked. So how do we do it? Now we know if F and A are given, you can find out the value of pressure. Pressure can be written as force by area. But this can also be given as rho g into h. Right? Let me equate one with the other. Okay. Where h is nothing but the depth that we need to find. So towards it. Now what is F here? F is 290. So 290 divided by area is 0.036 is equal to rho. What is rho? 930 multiplied by 10 multiplied by d. So you need to get the value of d. Let us take our calculator. More than a minute. Anyway, let us take up our calculator to find out this value of d. Calculators here. So I have 290 divided by 0.036 is equal to so much, divided by 930 is equal to so much, divided by 10 is equal to so much. You get the answer 0.8661. 0.8661. So thus the value of d is equal to 0.8661. So which is the closest here? 0.88. Answer is C. Okay, if I had taken the value of g to be 9.8, I would have got this value, but anyway I have taken the 10, so I got this value. Okay.